Hello guys, this is Saurabh, or in this video I'm going to show you how to display contact and email sticky bar in your website. So here you can see there is no bar of contact number and contact details in my website right here. So I just want to show the contact details here, right, as a bar, right, as a like a menu in an email, right. So how to do this? That's very simple. So you need to install one plugin that's name is speed contact bar, right. You need to search for speed contact bar, right. And after this you can see here, you will see the plugin that's speed contact bar. You need to install this plugin, right. And after installing this plugin, you need to click on activate plugin. And after this you will see this plugin here. Wait some seconds, and okay, this will load, right. Okay, now you will see here setting option, and you will see speed contact bar. So click on this plugin option here. After this you need to type here your details like contact to us. So we just as it is do this and give the URL, or if you have a postal address, or if I have a postal address like US only, and something like I have an email address info@thecodingbuzz.info, and I have a phone number also, right. So that is 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, like this, right. And that's very simple. Now I'm going to click on save, right. So I have to save this. So you can see if you want to change the color of information, right, so you can change the color of link, text color, background color also. So just click on save and save changes, and we are going to our website. This will change, right, and just refresh this website, and now you will see the bar right here, contact us, US, your number and your email ID. If you want to display more information about your website in this bar here, right, so you can do this also, right. So that's very simple process to display your contact info on your website. That's very simple. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.